Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. So first of all, we are having a high impact news at 11:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious around this time since it could be a high spread area and a really volatile market. So now let's move to the charts. This is the monthly chart, and what can we see is we were having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and equal lows and broke this high. The first thing I can see clearly right here is this thing. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, it broke below the low, that is, at this zone. This breaking below the low gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So now, what do we have is that the price retraced back after breaking the low to this area over here. This was the area where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. Then the price moved into the downward direction from this order block or the major or the strong zone right here, and we moved into the downward direction but couldn't break below all these equal lows. Rather, we swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the market a bullish push, and currently there is nothing clear since we are into the zone into the monthly levels. So now let's move to the weeklies. This is the weekly chart, and this was the candle which was responsible for the bearish move into the market. The price mitigated this candle and then moved into the downward direction. But currently what are we doing is we are sweeping the swing of the weekly and moving into the upside direction. So if we are going to respect this order block, most likely we are going to go up. So here it is. Yeah. So most likely we are going to go up if we are going to respect this order block. Till where? Till this zone right here. And why only this candle? Because this candle is unmitigated by the market and we are having accumulated liquidity. And we are having accumulated liquidity right below this unmitigated candle. So I am anticipating the price to move into the upside direction, taking all these equal highs. So let's move to the dailies now. This is the daily chart. Okay, it is not that visible. So I'll be making it visible till daily. Yeah. So let's move to the dailies. So this is the daily chart. And what do we have in daily? First of all, those equal highs are present here too into the market. But what is the special thing over here is this was the order flow being maintained by the market. The market respected this order flow but couldn't hold it and it broke this order flow. This breaking of this order flow gave us a bullish bias into the daily time frame. So what do we have here now is this low, that is the strong low, which shouldn't be invalidated by the market. So I'll be putting this as an invalidation zone, and we are having a reaction right at this zone. So I'm going to find some areas which are unmitigated by the market from where the market can actually respond to. So let's move to the 4 hours. So this is the 4-hour chart, and what do we have is I'll be shifting it right here. The first reaction point, and we are having equal lows at this zone. The price swept these equal lows and currently it's moving into the upside direction. What is the special thing at this zone is this currently left FVG along with the low being swept by the market. And which low am I talking about? I'm talking about this candle's low into the 4 hour. So most likely I'm anticipating the price to move into the upside direction and mitigate something at this AVG or something at this zone. So let's move to the 1 hours for a detailed picture. So this is the 1 hour chart and the price has responded from the higher time frame POI or the higher time frame FVG. But what do we have here is this candle being unmitigated by the market. So most likely if we are going to respect this strong high, relative strong high actually, we are going to respond into the downward direction and then we are going to see a reaction from that point. So there is nothing unmitigated at this zone. So let's move to the smaller time frames, that is 30-minute for a precise picture. This is a 30-minute chart and we are respecting the FVG at this zone 2 after taking the liquidity, which makes this a strong zone of reaction. So let's drag it like this. Yeah. And we moved into the upside direction. We didn't mitigate the order block. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction, respect this flip zone at this zone, and then move into the upside direction. So I'll be marking it orange so that it could be clearly visible. So I'm anticipating the price to respect this flip zone and then move into the upside direction if we are going to go into the upside direction. Since we have nothing unmitigated in this zone, and if we are going to respect this order flow being maintained by the market, we are going to go into the upside direction. So this will be my invalidation zone for 30 minutes. Now currently let's move to the 15 minutes directly. So this is the 15-minute chart and we are having this flip zone at this zone 2. So I'm not anticipating the price to take the Asia low. Rather, I'm anticipating the price to move into the upside direction from the 50% of the Asia. So what is my bias for today? If we are not going to take the Asia low, most likely we are going to go into the upside direction. If we are going to take the Asia low, most likely we are going to take all these liquidities accumulated right at this zone. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.